Hi students, welcome to maths class. In the previous class, we have seen how to change the fractions into like fractions. That means same denominator. Today, let us see how to add the fractions. First, let us see addition. Next, subtraction we will see. First question you look at here, 3 by 4. First one is 3 by 4 plus 2 by 5. First look at the denominators. These two are not same. They are not same. That means these are not like fractions. First let us say, first method I am saying, I will change the denominators into like fractions first. For that, we take the LCM. I told you already. The LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Take LCM of denominators. Now take the given fraction as 3 by 4 into. Now to change the denominator into 20, by what number you should multiply? 5s. 4 5s 20. If you write 5 here, numerator also 5. Same. 2 by 5 into 5 should be multiplied by what number you should get? 20. 4s. To multiply with the 4. Now you check once. 3 5s are 15 by 4 5s are 20. Numerator, denominator, denominator. Plus 2 4s are 8. 5 4s are 20. Now you look at here. Denominators are same. That means they are like fractions. So we can add directly now. Like fractions means we can add directly numerators. 15 plus 8. 15 plus 8. By write only once. Denominator write only once. 15 plus 8. 23 upon 20. Right? 23 upon 20. You can change into mixed fraction also if you want. Because 20 ones are 20. How much remaining here? 2 will remain upon 20. Sorry. 3 will remain, no? 20 ones are 20. 3 will remain by 20. 20 ones are 20 plus 3. 23 by 20. Mixed fraction also we can take. So, what is the answer here? Either 23 by 20 or you can change into mixed fraction. It is improper fraction. You can change into mixed also. Second method, when we go to the higher class, we use this method. 3 by 4 plus 2 by 5. You take directly LCM of 4 and 5. How much? 20. 4, how many times it goes? 4 5s are 20, right? Into, what is the numerator here? Write that. 5, how many times it goes? 5 4s are 20. Into, what is the numerator here? 2. You can do like this also. 5 3s 15, 4 2s 8 upon 20. 23 by 20. This way also we can do it, no problem. First, what should you do? Take the LCM of 4 and 5. 4 5s are 20. So 4 5s are 20. 5 is there. 5 into numerator, what is here? 3. Plus 5 4 times it goes. 4 into here numerator is 2. 4 2s are 8. So add them and we usually when we go to the higher standard we will do this method. Okay? Any method you can do it, no problem. I will tell you next one. Second one. What is given here? Second one. 1 3 by 4 plus 3 by 8. Mixed fraction is given here. So change. 4 1s are 4 plus 3. 7 by 4 plus 3 by 8. Okay. Now first I will take the LCM of. The LCM of 4 and 8. What is LCM of 4 and 8? You know the method. 8. You find out 4 and 8 LCM, I told you. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. That is the method of finding. Now take 7 by 4 plus 3 by 8 is equal to 7 by 4 into 4 should be multiplied by what number to get 8? 4 2s are 8. If you write 2 here, numerator also 2 plus 3 by 8 into, it's already 8, so we do 1 by 1. 7 2s are 14, 4 2s are 8, 3 1s are 3, 8 1s are 8. So see, now they change it into like fractions, so we write only once the denominator. Numerators can be added directly. 14 plus 3, 17 by 8. It is also improper fraction. 8 2s are 16. Then 1 will remain upon 8. You can write like that. So answer is 17 by 8 or 2 1 by 8. So in our method what we do like this, 7 by 4 plus 3 by 8 is equal to, directly we will take the LCM 8. 4 how many times it goes, you see 4 2s are 8, right? 2 into, what is the numerator here? 7 plus 8 one time into 3. 7 2s are 14 plus 3 1s are 3. So 17 by 8, or we can write 2 1 by 8. Simple, no? Okay, third one. Learn perfectly the method because it will be useful in the higher classes. Okay, third one we will see. 3 are given. Two by 5 plus 2, 3 by 15 plus 7 by 10. Now change first. 2 by 5 plus how to change mixed fraction now? 15 2s are 30 plus 3. 33 by 15 plus 7 by 10. Now you take the LCM of denominators. What is the LCM of denominator? 5, 15, 10. So let us see 5. 5 1s, 5 3s, 5 2s. So what is the LCM here? 5 3s 15, 15 2s are 30. I will do like directly now. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. Now 5 how many times it goes? Listen carefully. 5 6 times. 5 6s are into, what is the numerator here? 2. 15 how many times? 2 times. 2 into, what is the numerator? 33. Plus 10 how many times? 3 times. Into numerator 7. Changing like fraction is, that is routine method. Okay, everybody can do it. So learn this method, it is very useful. 5 6 are 30, right? 6 into, what is the numerator here? 2. Plus 15 2 times. 15 2s are 30. 2 into 33 numerator. Plus 10 how many times it goes? 10 3s are into numerator 7. So 12, 66, 21. So what will you get now? 9, 9. Is that clear? We can cut now. 3 10s are 30, 3 33s. So 33 upon 10. This is improper again. 10 3s are 30, remaining 3 by 10. So therefore my answer is 3 by 10. Is that clear? If there is any cancellation, I told you how to simplify the fraction. Every time fraction should be in the standard form. Remember that concept. Okay, fourth one is like fractions also you can do it, no problem. 1 7 by 8 plus 1 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 4. Now change them first. 8 1s are 8 plus 7, 15 by 8 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. 4 ones are 4 plus 3, 7 upon 4. Okay. So what is the denominators here? 8, 2, 4. 2 4s, 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 2s, 2 1s. So what is the LCM? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 is the LCM, right? 8, 8. How many times it goes? 1 time. Into numerator 15. 2 how many times? 4 times. Into, understood now? 2 4 times. 2 4s are 8. That 4 into numerator is 3. 4 how many times? 4 2s are. Into what is the numerator? 7. So 15, 12, 14. 4 to 6 plus 5, 11. 2, 3, 4. 41 by 8. 27, 41. Right? 8 5s are 40. 1 will remain by 8. Therefore answer is 5 1 upon 8. Clear? Did you understand procedure, or you can change it into like fractions also, no problem. Fifth one. 3 3 by 4 plus 2 1 by 6 plus 1 5 by 8. Now change them into improper. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15 by 4. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 8 1s are 8 plus 5. 13 upon 8. Right? Now take the denominators here. 4, 6, 8. What is the LCM? 2 2s, 2 3s, 2 4s, 2 1s, 2 2s. What is the LCM now? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. What is the LCM of denominators? 24. 4 how many times it goes? 6 times. Into numerator 15 plus 6 4 times into numerator 13. 8 3 times into numerator 30. Okay? You can change the denominator into 24 and add. Last one we will do that method. 15 6 are how much? 90, 52, 39. Tables learn perfectly. 9 plus 2 11. 4 9 18. 24. 9 plus 2 11. 4 9 9 18. So divide 181 divided by 24. What will you get? 24 5s are 120. 24 8s are 192. 24 7s 168. 7s are 168. So 3 7 minus 6 1. So what will you get here? 7 13 by 24. Okay. Therefore answer is 7 13 by 24. If there is any mistake you can correct it. Okay. Calculation, you be careful. Okay. Last one. I will say now to change like fractions now. Okay. Sixth one. What is given? 3 1 upon 8 plus 5 5 by 12 plus 5 by 16. 3 1 by 8, 20, 8 3 is 24 plus 1, 25 by 8, 60 plus 5, 65 by 12, so 5 by 60. What is the LCM of? The LCM of 8 comma 12 comma 16 is, change, find out. 8, 12, 16. 2 4s, 2 6, 2 8s are. 2 2s, 2 3s, 2 4s. 2 2s. Only primes you must use, remember that. 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8, 8 2s 16, 3s are 48. 48. Now take 25 by 8 plus 65 by 12 plus 5 by 16 equal to 25 by 8 into, by what number you should multiply to get 48? 8 6 are, right? 65 by 12 into, by what number you should multiply? 4s. Next 5 by 16 into, by what number you should multiply? 16 3s. So by 48 plus 65 4s, 4 5s 20, 4 6 are 24 plus 2 26 by 48. This one 5 3 is 15 by 48. All the denominators are made now into 48. Like fractions, we can write the numerators directly, plus 15. So add them. 150, 260, 50. 425 upon 48. Divide 425 upon 48. 48 9s are 432 more. 8 times it goes. 8 8s are 64. 8 4s are 32 plus 6 38. 15 minus 4. 5 minus 4 1. Okay. 12, sorry, here 12 minus 8 4. Sorry, 484. 48 8s are 384. Oh, 384 only. 9s 432 more. So how much you will get here? 41. So 8 41 by 48. That's all. 8 41 by 48. This is proper fraction. So answer is correct. So answer is 8 41 upon 48. Okay. So learn perfectly the both methods. Any method you can apply. Okay. We'll see some more problems in the next class. Subtraction we will see. Thank you.